Right now, every animal on Earth just became intelligent. Not tomorrow, not slowly, at the exact same moment. Imagine waking up to an ordinary morning, your dog doesn't bark. It stares at you, silently tracking every movement. Your cat doesn't meow for food, it waits, calculating. Outside, the city sounds feel wrong, birds aren't chirping randomly anymore. They're silent, watching, then it starts. A squirrel climbs a fence, studies the latch, tests it once, and opens it. Ants reroute around traps you've used for years, forming clean, efficient paths. Pigeons don't scatter from traffic, they coordinate timing and distance. At first, it feels like coincidence, then realization hits. Across the planet, similar moments unfold at the same time. Zoos report animals no longer reacting to stimuli. Wildlife cameras capture predators standing still, observing instead of hunting. Pets pause, listen, remember, and suddenly a terrifying truth spreads. Every animal, from ants to elephants, now has human-level problem-solving ability, not speech, not human emotion, but strategy, planning, memory, cooperation. The world doesn't notice immediately, but animals do. Within minutes, chaos begins. Silently, birds reroute migrations away from cities, airports, and power plants. Rodents disable traps instead of dying in them. Livestock refuse to move, blocking highways, railways, and shipping routes. Human logistics collapse, not through violence, but refusal. Pets begin negotiating behavior. Dogs understand routines and exploit them. Cats learn doors, cupboards, windows, testing patiently. Zoos enter lockdown. Not because animals are aggressive, but because they stop reacting. A zookeeper shuts a steel gate, then slowly realizes something. The animals aren't trapped anymore, he is. They observe humans the way humans once observed them. Humans laugh at first. Funny coincidence, smart animals, viral clips. Social media fills with jokes. But intelligence doesn't announce itself. It organizes quietly. Animals begin mapping human routines, traffic patterns, feeding schedules, weak points. For the first time in history, humanity is being studied globally. Within days, nature rewrites its own rules. Prey animals stop running blindly. They design escape corridors and warning systems. Predators stop hunting randomly. Wolves coordinate roles, lions divide tasks. Orcas disable ships instead of avoiding them. This isn't chaos, it's optimization. The food chain doesn't shift, it collapses. Agriculture fails almost instantly. Cows block processing plants. Chickens sabotage containment systems. Fish avoid nets with near-perfect coordination. Farms fall silent. Supermarkets empty within days, and animals still haven't attacked. Not because they can't, but because they don't need to. Intelligence doesn't rush, it waits. Supply chains fail, not from violence, but intelligent sabotage. Rats chew critical cables. Selectively, birds block drone routes and airfields. Insects overwhelm infrastructure humans never protected. Power outages spread. Hospitals struggle, transport halts. Communication breaks down, cities grow tense. Governments attempt containment, it fails. Because you can't contain intelligence when it exists everywhere, in forests, oceans, skies, walls, and homes. Then something unprecedented happens. Animals form species-based societies. Ants build logistics megastructures, bees enforce territory zones. Primates protect water sources and forests. Not chaos, order, just not human order. Humans panic, militaries mobilize. But this isn't a war against claws and teeth. It's a war against distributed intelligence. Birds overwhelm surveillance. Marine mammals disrupt naval routes. Insects cripple electronics and power grids. Predators don't attack cities, they isolate them, cut supply lines, block access points, control movement. Urban centers become cages, not built by animals, but by human dependence. Suddenly, humans realized something terrifying. We are no longer the smartest species, we are just the loudest. Somewhere in a darkened apartment, a child whispers, If they're smarter now, why are they being so quiet? No adult answers. Because silence was never weakness, it was control. Humanity loses its greatest advantage, coordination. Because intelligence no longer belongs to one species. Months pass, the planet reorganizes itself. Cities shrink, humans retreat underground. Food becomes scarce, technology becomes unreliable. Meanwhile, the animal world thrives, not violently, but efficiently. Ecosystems stabilize, forests reclaim cities, oceans recover. Animals don't wipe out humanity, they outgrow it. Humans adapt, slower, weaker, humbled. We are no longer rulers, we are participants. This isn't extinction, it's displacement. The real horror isn't animals becoming intelligent. It's realizing that intelligence never belonged exclusively to us. We define superiority by convenience, by control, by dominance, but intelligence changes the rules. It doesn't ask who came first, it asks who adapts. So here's the question that matters. If every animal thought like us, would they treat us better than we treated them? If this scenario unsettled you, good. That means you understand how fragile our dominance really is. So now tell me in the comments, would humans adapt and coexist, or would this be the end of our species? Read other answers, debate them, because this question doesn't have one truth. And before you leave, if you enjoy documentaries that challenge reality, not just entertain, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, not for the algorithm, but because the next video asks something even darker. What if animals gain human-level intelligence? Humans on trial. That story is waiting on your screen. This is What If, and the most dangerous questions are the ones that feel possible.